clear and collect. Thanks to its ergonomic design, this tool effortlessly clears away unwanted debris from your lawn without putting strain on your back. The extended handle eliminates the need for bending down, allowing the operator to work comfortably and with a relaxed posture. With its increased working width, it enables high productivity. This multi-purpose rake is equally effective at collecting grass piles with small leaves as well as long twigs and vines. Clear and Collect is proudly manufactured in the UK and is available at an approximate cost of $35. Meet Kobi, the Belgian robot designed to keep your garden pristine year-round. Kobi works autonomously, offering 3 interchangeable modules for snow removal, lawn mowing, and leaf blowing. Unlike competitors, Kobi uses precise computer vision for navigation, ensuring no spot in your yard is missed. Say goodbye to manual garden work and let Kobi do the job. The price for this cutting-edge technology is approximately $4,000. Say goodbye to manual garden work and let Kobi take care of it for you. Fiskars Water Wheel XL, the Finnish innovation that makes gardening easier. This automatic hose reel keeps your hose tangle-free and offers easy storage. The set includes an adjustable nozzle and hose connector with a tap, making it ready for use. It's versatile with 360-degree rotation and automatic retraction. This tool expands your watering range to 1,500 square yards, starting at just $150. Simplify your gardening experience with Fiskars Water Wheel XL. Introducing the Makita UD 2500, the solution to bulky garden waste transportation. This Japanese innovation efficiently reduces garden waste volume by 5 to 10 times its original size. With its robust shredding blade, it effortlessly handles branches up to 1.7 inches in diameter, powered by a stable 2,500-watt induction motor. Additionally, the 2.4 cubic foot plastic waste container minimizes interruptions during work, and mobility is a breeze thanks to the integrated wheels. Starting at just $285, the Makita UD 2500 simplifies garden waste management. Roto Shovel Max is not just another shovel, but the pinnacle of human ingenuity in tool refinement. Weighing in at 7 kilograms, this product empowers you to effortlessly dig holes 48 centimeters deep and 10 centimeters in diameter. It stands as the smoothest and safest automatic shovel available. Safety is paramount. It shuts off when it hits a stone, with a reversey function to clear jams. One charge lasts hours, and batteries are easily replaceable and recharge in 2 hours. Install fences, prep holes, and dig with ease, doubling your productivity. Get the Roto Shovel Max with safety gloves for just $250. Upgrade your digging game today. According to its manufacturer, the Ringwater's supply and storage system is a revolutionary solution, suitable for both private and commercial applications. It offers substantial water and cost savings. 2 versions are available. A small one, 51 centimeters in diameter, with a flow rate of 38 liters per hour, and a larger one, 63.5 centimeters in diameter, with a flow rate of 57 liters per hour. Made from recycled plastic with 45 locking teeth, they also capture rainwater to prevent soil erosion. Prices start at $50 for the larger version, and every purchase supports tree planting initiatives. Make a sustainable choice today. Make watering a breeze with this innovative hose storage system. It's perfect whether you already have a hose or need a new one. This system comes complete with a 20-meter hose, sprayer, and adapters. It combines the convenience of a hose reel and a suitcase, featuring a telescopic handle, wheels, and an accessories section. With 360-degree rotation, it prevents hose tangling and boasts a stable washer-like design. Weighing just 11 kilograms and measuring 51 x 21 centimeters, it's easy to carry and store. Cover every corner of your property with ease for approximately $225. Just be sure not to confuse it with your travel suitcase. Did you know the US once faced a blueberry crisis? Demand soared, supply dwindled, and it was compared to cartel wars. Market sales hit $50 million. To meet the demand, you need efficient tools like this one. This device is a game changer in the world of blueberry picking, eliminating manual labor. Weighing just 700 grams, it requires no special skills. Simply place it on a branch and switch it on. It offers adjustable speeds from 600 to 2,000 strokes per minute, tripling berry collection compared to manual picking. Plus, the set includes 3 batteries for added convenience. Makita, a venerable Japanese construction company with a century of experience, has expanded into gardening. They've transformed the traditional garden wheelbarrow into an electric powerhouse, capable of carrying 300 kilograms. This impressive machine boasts 4 speeds, 4 batteries, headlights, a tail light, and a warning beeper, all within a manageable 112 kilogram weight. It operates continuously for approximately 100 minutes, reaching speeds of up to 5 kilometers per hour. The power regulator maintains a constant speed even with varying loads, and a safety feature cuts power when the battery charge is low. With a price tag of $5,600, Makita's electric pickup sets a high standard for innovation and performance in the gardening industry. For those seeking simpler options, consider this timer priced at $44, eliminating the need for smartphone or cloud interaction. Powered by 2 AA batteries, it offers a user-friendly 7-day watering schedule with 2 separately configurable zones, allowing up to an hour per watering cycle. This timer suits both lawns and beds, with a hassle-free setup thanks to its 13 built-in watering programs and an informative built-in screen. Upgrade your watering system with ease. Prepare for fall leaf cleanup with this German-made leaf blower and vacuum. It's lightweight, 3 kilograms, battery-powered, has a shredder, and reaches an airspeed of 210 km/h. With wheels and a belt for ease, priced at $165, excludes battery and charger. Say goodbye to back pain. In the United States, the average farm size in 2019 spanned roughly 180 hectares. To put this in perspective, consider that Monaco, an entire country, occupies just 202 hectares. Marking out such extensive plots can be time-consuming, but there's a solution at hand. Introducing these efficient brackets that can accelerate your work by up to 50% or even 70%. They easily attach to reinforcing bars up to 25 millimeters in diameter or wooden poles. Plus, for challenging landscapes like hillsides, you can opt for a tensioner and a specialized stand for heavy load points. The only catch? The pricing isn't available on the website. To get a quote, you'll need to fill out a form or get in touch with their customer service in Norway. Enhance your farming operations with these time-saving brackets. Now, let's discuss an electric tying machine designed for viticulture and forestry experts. It's poised to gain popularity in France, home to 797,000 hectares of vineyards as of 2020, second only to Spain. This durable tool can handle up to 8,000 ties on a single charge, weighs just 615 grams, excluding the battery, offers easy upkeep, a comfortable grip, and boasts a large wire reel capacity. Keep an eye out for its upcoming release later this year.